Now, let me explain to you how to synchronize AI audio with video using a phone. It's a straightforward process that can enhance your video quality significantly. First, you need to add your video and audio to the timeline. To do this, simply enter the app and select the option to upload your media files. Click on Add Video, then upload your media. After that, you can also use the split feature to edit your clips, enhancing your video project effectively. Click on the video to remove any unwanted segment that doesn't fit your project. Next, what we need to do is synchronize the audio carefully with the video. Synchronize the audio precisely with the moment of lip movement. You can even enable zoom on the timeline to get a closer look, enhancing your editing accuracy. Now, let's zoom in a bit closer so you can accurately align everything with the frame. And after that, you can proceed with the next steps of your editing process. You can use this little life hack by pausing at key moments to ensure everything aligns perfectly, enhancing your editing process. For example, as you can see here, you've found a specific moment. Now align it precisely with the first word. Let's zoom in a bit closer for accuracy. You've set everything up, so now carefully align the audio with the video. As you can see, the audio fits perfectly after this. Now, if the sound seems off or is drifting, as you can see here, adjustments are needed to ensure everything syncs perfectly. Let's proceed. This can often be a common issue with the app, so you might not want to worry too much about it, as you see here. Sometimes, the reason for issues is heavy video files, like 60 FPS and 4K resolution, with many effects and a long timeline, as you see. This might happen occasionally, but you shouldn't worry too much about it if your setup is good, as you can see. Now, if you've aligned everything perfectly with your audio and video, as you can see here, you can proceed to the next step. Let's move forward together. Place it here, and thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone, and goodbye.